In this short series on liquidity positions and liquidity pools in cryptocurrency, we've so far covered what these concepts mean, along with what LP tokens and impermanent loss means. If you haven't yet watched those videos, you can find a link to them in the video description below. In this third video, we're going to talk about how you can use your LP tokens as a liquidity provider to engage in liquidity mining, otherwise known as yield farming, which is considered to be one of the most rewarding prospects currently available across the cryptocurrency space. While holding a liquidity provider position can be a profitable venture in its own right, many exchanges and standalone farms offer additional incentives for holding a liquidity position, especially when it comes to tokens with a relatively low market cap, which can be extremely volatile without sufficient liquidity backing. These incentives come in the form of liquidity mining, or yield farming pools. In short, you place your LP tokens into a staking contract as proof of holding your position, and you are then rewarded with new tokens. These tokens sometimes match one of the tokens you placed into your liquidity pair, but it's also common to receive a completely different token in return. Once your LP tokens are staked, you will automatically begin accruing your token rewards, and will continue to do so as long as your LP tokens are staked. In most cases, you can withdraw your rewarded tokens and freely sell or trade them, while not needing to withdraw or affect your staked LP tokens in any way. As an example of usage, you may choose to become a liquidity provider for Matic and Dojira, and receive rewards in Ethereum. You can then choose to either hold your Ethereum or trade it in for more Matic and Dojira, which can then be converted into another liquidity pair and added to your already staked LP tokens, increasing your Ethereum rewards over time. Once you are ready to leave your liquidity position, you can simply unstake from the staking contract you entered, and convert your LP tokens back to their original tokens on the same exchange that you converted them into liquidity tokens. Remember that yield farms often specify that they only accept LP tokens from certain exchanges. So for example, a staking contract that accepts LP tokens created at QuickSwap would not be capable of accepting LP tokens created at Uniswap. In our next video, we'll talk you through how to create, stake, and unstake liquidity tokens, along with how to harvest your rewards from any staking or farming contracts. Lastly, please remember that not all farming platforms and contracts are trustworthy. Always be sure to do your own research before submitting tokens to any contracts. Make sure any yield farms you're interacting with are audited, and try to stick to reputable or well-known platforms wherever possible. Additionally, keep in mind that many yield farms charge a deposit fee for staking, so make sure you're including that in any of your profit calculations. Dojira is currently developing a decentralized finance and yield farming platform. Along with providing in-house services, Dojira has partnered with trustworthy farming platforms in order to allow users to safely stake into long-term contracts. For more information on this, please visit us at dojira.net or join our official Telegram or Discord channels listed in the video description below.